Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you do any sort of metal work or metal surface prep for different projects, you're going to want to see these awesome little discs. So these are from 3M. These are the Scotch-Brite Roll-Lock Bristle disc. This is the green, which is a coarse bristle disc, and this is really effective for preparing metal surfaces or to remove residue, coatings, film, different things that might be on metal, or even just smoothing it out to get it ready for finishing, anything like that. This is going to do an amazing job. So these bristles are spaced out in such a way that prevents gunk and things from getting built up inside. These last a really long time as well, and they're really easy to use. So you pop them onto your roll-lock device and then you're good to go. And it's great because these get into your little corners and edges and things that are really tough to reach with a wire brush or a flat sanding disc or just sandpaper, something like that, or a grinder. So this is an awesome way to help take care of that. So if you've got some metal projects coming up, this is an amazing little device that will help make your work a lot easier. I highly recommend it. That's my point of view.